Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today as we celebrate International Women's Day. It is a day that we celebrate not just because of the celebration but as a responsibility. Having spent decades in the railways, I have witnessed transformation. Not just of tracks, locomotives, infrastructure, or technology, but I have seen the change in the mindset of the people working within it. Railways is often described as the lifeline of the nation, but let me tell you today very clearly that no system can become so strong unless the women in it or working here are empowered, respected, and given equal opportunity to lead. When I first joined the services, leadership rooms were very different. Representations were very narrow. Even we were only two ladies in our batch, me and Neil. And the representations were defined very narrowly and expectations from the ladies were very high. Many talented women had to really work very hard to prove themselves. Now times have changed. People have started recognizing the efforts taken by the women in the last 40 years and transition has been major. Women is now leading at almost every sphere, be it a driving locomotive, managing divisions, leading safety operations, heading engineering departments, or even the leading the PSUs. All the young women professional here, do not wait for the permission to be there for you. No one is going to give permission to you to lead. Prepare yourself, strengthen your competence, build resilience for you. Leadership is not given, it is acquired. It is demonstrated consistently. Efforts have to be consistent. And to all my male colleagues who are going to work with them or working with them, gender equality is not women's issue. It is an organizational issue and going to be organizational strength. We should always remember that a diverse system is always a strong system. As a senior professional, I can tell you one thing which I have learned in my life is that the talent and the commitment are the two things which are beyond any gender. What matters in this life is character, competence, and the courage. These things really matter. Let this Women's Day not just be a ceremony for all of us. Let there be a commitment by all of us that we are going to mentor and encourage girls and we are going to create an opportunity and remove so-called the unconscious bias that we normally create unknowingly. Salute the women who tell us their feelings, who break their barriers and try to build the systems. And often very silently, so silently, even they don't know. May we continue to create an ecosystem where each woman can say with a proud that I am being valued, I am getting heard, and I belong to the system. Thank you very much for hearing this. Happy Women's Day to all of you.